You may experience tougher stains on your cap from the buildup of sweat, salt, makeup, and sunscreen. For this, we recommend our Stain Remover Foam. It's a stronger formula that contains natural enzymes that aim to break down these more difficult stains. Start by taking 7 to 10 pumps of the Stain Remover Foam and carefully massage it into the cap, paying extra attention to the visible stains. Make sure the foam is well distributed and leave it to absorb for approximately 5 minutes. Then, rinse the cap in warm water. Make sure all of the soap is fully rinsed out to avoid white soap stains after drying. Hang to dry with the brim facing downwards. If necessary, repeat the cleaning process. To maintain the cap's shape, we recommend folding a small towel inside the cap to keep its form while drying. Remember to wash your cap regularly. The more time stains are left on the cap, the more difficult they will be to remove. You can use our Stain Remover Foam on the following caps. Please keep in mind that most of our caps will fade a little with regular cleaning. For more care and cleaning information, please review our guidance page or contact our team directly.